Good evening. Very good evening. How are you?
I'm doing fantastic. Thank you for asking. And how about you?
I'm doing exceptionally well, and everything is hunky-dory from my side. Thanks for asking. And what about you?
Yes, everything is going well. And a few minutes back, only I completed office work. So I just wrapped up my office work and now I'm free. And also today is Friday, so last working day of this week. So I'm quite excited for my weekend. Yeah.
Oh, everybody becomes excited when weekend comes, and I am also a teacher, and I understand your feelings. Yes.
Yes, yes.
So
We
let me
feel
introduce
literally
for
relax.
yes, for our audience, introduce to one by one.
Mhm,
And if I talk about myself, my name is Monica. I am from Madhya Pradesh, Gwalior, and I have done my masters in English literature and B.Ed honors. And if I talk about
mhm,
my hobbies, I am pursuing in the teaching field, and I have been teaching since last 10 years, and I am
okay.
working in a private institute, that is
Mhm,
KBS. And right now I am enhancing my communication skills, and 6 months ago I started my YouTube channel, and there I uploaded very informative videos like grammar content, like in literature portion, because I am very
mhm.
fond of reading literature. So for me,
Okay.
this means a lot, and I'll try
Mhm.
daily and regularly, productive days. So that's all about me. Thanks.
Oh, wonderful. I loved knowing about you. So now it's my turn. My name is Tanuja, and I'm also from MP, Bhopal. And by profession, I'm a software engineer, and also I run a YouTube channel in my free time. And apart from this, if I talk about my interests, so I love painting, dancing, and traveling. Yeah, that's pretty much about me.
Nice. You're doing great. So you are a software engineer, right?
Mm.
In
Yeah,
Bhopal.
right.
Okay, okay. So what kind of city is Bhopal? Tell me something about your city. I went there one or two times. I liked
Mhm.
that city, but I know from your from your mouth what kind of
Okay.
city is Bhopal? Yes. What kind of things
Mhm.
it is famous for?
Well, so I would say that you must have heard that Bhopal is called a city of lakes. So the famous place is absolutely Lake View here. That is very famous. Most of the people who come here, so it's mandatory to go there. It's like that. It is kind of mini Marine Drive when we compare to Mumbai. And apart from this, we have multiple other places like ancient temples, Sanchi, Bhimbetka, and some of the famous mall, DB City Mall, that is very big and famous place here, and some of the what we call some of the ancient places, I would say. There are many
I
places
went
here to visit.
in the year 2019. I went Bhopal
Okay.
for my
Hmm.
in my relatives. So there I saw Sair Sapata. Like
Okay.
yeah, this is like a mall, mini mall, like a Sair Sapata. There were a
Mhm.
lot of things to watch for the especially for kids. My kids
Kids,
were
yes, yes.
enjoying a lot there. So, Bhopal is a good city. Yeah, I would say.
I would say that peaceful and no hustle bustle here. And I think, anyone can survive here. There is no that kind of expensive city it is. It's not like that. And now the metro work is also going on. Some It's already started in some part of Bhopal, but yeah, it is still going on. So yeah, after
Is
all,
going to,
we can
yeah,
call that metro city as well.
okay. It is going to become a metro city, right? Okay.
Yes, yes.
My hometown is Agra actually, and Agra
Okay.
has become the metro city. There are two or three metros are going on in presently, and
Mhm.
I missed that city. That is my hometown or birthplace actually. So I missed
Okay.
my city very much.
So now you are in Gwalior. So
Yeah.
may I know about bit about your Gwalior as well? I haven't visited there, but yeah, it is in MP, so I should know.
Yes, yes. Gwalior is a nice city, and it's also there is running like a metro's construction. So it takes time a lot, and I would say in Gwalior trade fair is very famous nowadays.
Okay.
Trade fair, you know the trade fair like a Vyapar Mela.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And I am aware very like trade fair in different kind of trades are there, like furniture trade, like
Okay.
electronic trade, LG,
Mm-hmm.
LG like AC and fridge,
Mm-hmm.
like so many different kinds of shops are there in fair trade. And if I talk
Okay.
about, I am also related to the business. My husband is a businessman, so
Okay.
actually I have
Mm-hmm.
a furniture manufacturing
Mm-hmm.
of the furniture trade. So every year, trade fair in the trade fair, our showroom is also displayed there, different kind of furniture like sofa, bed, and dining tables, and different kind of sofas, L corners,
Mm-hmm.
recliners. Every variety is available in the trade fair, and I would say everyone
Mm-hmm.
comes to the Gwalior to watch the trade fair, to visit the trade fair. It is literally in a
Mm-hmm.
higher level, in a very
Okay.
big measurement, I would say. This trade fair occurred every year. In the month of it started in the month of December, and it comes to the end now. This comes to the end like last February. It comes to the
Mm-hmm.
end, and we.
So from every places people visit that fair.
Yes, sir. Every places like different kind of cities like from UP, from
Mm-hmm.
MP, like different kind of district of MP, like Delhi NCR. So many relatives and many people heard about this trade fair and came and comes to visit in this fair. Definitely, I would say.
Wow. That's nice to know. I learned something new.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
So
So you
what
are
are
in
you?
teaching field.
Yeah.
So you teach English or any
Yeah,
other subjects?
I teach English, and I teach us 9th to 12th standard only English literature and language, because this is my
Okay.
specific subject, and I am very keen to know everything like Shakespeare, like different kind of poets in English literature, and I used to read about them. So I teach English.
Okay, that's good to know about this. So mostly in the school that I have seen that they teach grammatical portion. So do you teach spoken as well, or it's just grammar portion only?
Just only if I talk about institutions, private institutions, there are no spoken classes or communication classes must required by the management. It is only I conduct only and I teach only grammar. Only language portion is there, because in different kind of institutions, if we talk about like now, uh, teachers emphasizes the complete the syllabus, not the whole
Yes.
holistic development of the children, because we are
Mm-hmm.
bounded from the administration of the institutions. So that's why we
Mm-hmm.
have to
I
do
agree.
our work, our duty accordingly.
Yes.
That's why we are bounded, and we are like not on the contract basis. So we
Mm-hmm.
are not little much facilitate by every management. So management gives us instructions, and we have to follow them. So spoken is
Mm-hmm.
not there, but yeah, whenever we go through the any communication, any kind of a whenever we go any kind of a substitute like substitute class, so we should
Mm-hmm.
conduct a group discussion with the
Mm-hmm.
among the students, so that they can aware the fundamentals communication skills, different kind of communication skills, and
Mm-hmm.
we gives them different kind of topics like environment,
Okay.
like global warming,
Mm-hmm.
like empowering of women in India.
Mm-hmm.
What is the impact of what is the impact of empowering the women in India? What is the advantage and disadvantage of this digitalization and social media? So this kind of different topics we gives them frequently, and we discuss them over the
Yeah,
over.
I was about to ask the same question that we should. Do you think that this communication or personality development kind of activities should be mandatory in schools so that student can learn this thing? Like you mentioned that you are already providing this kind of session or activities to students. So yeah, absolutely, it's good for them in the future purpose as well.
Yes, if we talk about communication or spoken classes provided by the institute, so it is
Mm-hmm.
mandatory nowadays, and you can see around us. Everything is available on the social media platform. We can see na different kind of like applications. Planet Spark is there. So many communication or spoken applications is available on the social media. But if we
Mm-hmm.
talk about private institutions, so the administration or our principals usually says us that you have to complete the syllabus unless the syllabus will be not completed, so it is problematic with the students. It is not
Yes, yes.
justice. So
Mm-hmm.
we have to concentrate on the syllabus. After that, whenever we get free
Mm-hmm.
time in the one or two period free in my school institution, so I always but I am talking about only myself, not the other teachers. What are
Yes.
their scenarios, and what kind
Mm-hmm.
of teaching they are na. So whenever I get time, I usually like to discuss different kind of topics with the students. Only mandatory English. I'm giving them different instructions that you are feel free to talk in English, whether it is right or wrong. No worries,
Mm-hmm.
because if we do not make mistakes, so we do not learn new things. So
Yes,
mistake is the
absolutely.
part of learning. So no worries.
Mm-hmm.
You can express yourself. You can express your views or your thoughts, like extempore speech. This kind of activities and inter-house competitions are there in my school, in my institute. So it is also good to good path to interaction the different kind of students. You're right.
Yes, absolutely. And I think this kind of activity should be mandatory. Or if it is not mandatory, at least that you should provide this kind of activities to students so that they can learn. Like if I talk about me, so in my school and college days also, I skipped those things, or maybe I didn't get chance in school days to, active participate in this kind of activities. And now I face difficulties in my career, or because I never tried that things before. I never did any stage performance or like kind of debate or something. So I still hesitate, when I have to start these kind of things. So I
So you
always
never
think about that
face
I should try.
you never face the camera, you never face the stage or podium like in your school time.
No, no,
Okay.
no. That's why I fear a lot. And, I started my English journey. Why? Because when I started my career, so
Just
here it
one
is
minute,
mandatory
if
to
you
speak in.
don't mind. 1 minute.
Mhm.
Somebody is calling me.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, continue. Yes,
What
so
I was talking about. Yes.
yes,
Yes.
yes. You never
So,
face the podium or never any kind of functions,
no.
activities in your time.
No, I was very introvert and shy kind of girl in my school days. And in college, yeah, we got some of the opportunity, but I never, took advantage of that opportunity. I was very shy and I always avoided those things because I was very hesitated. And when I started my career, like I joined my company, so here I had to, deal with foreign people, foreign clients. So it was really difficult for me in the beginning days. So somehow I managed. Sometime I cried even. and now I'm little bit comfortable that I can talk with them freely. So I
So
just
how
thought,
long have you
I
been
still
doing?
think that.
Yes, yes. How long have you been doing in this journey in your job or working journey? You start.
So for working, I am working for last 6 years. But yeah, English speaking, I started very late. You can say that, yeah, it's around 3 years now. So
In your working, English speaking is must now because you are professional and you are a IT
mm,
IT
yes.
professional. So it is must for speaking in English.
Yes, yes. But still, I never, tried to speak in English. We knew some of the English grammar things like we learned in our school days or in the college time, but I never utilized those things just because of fear and because of that what people will think or maybe I'll make mistakes. And I realized it very later. And now I think that I should try to utilize those things, or I should start my journey very early so that I would have fluent in this language now.
Right. Because now, Tanu, your name is Tanuja. Tanuja, we are on the same page, dear. Because if I talk about my schooling time, I was also become very shy and very hesitated person. I never faced a stage program, you know. I never
Yes.
faced a podium. I never faced like na mic, you know, holding the mic.
Yeah,
I don't
same.
know how to holding the mic. Whenever I participated in my school activities, my teacher always told me that you are a good student and you are not hesitated at all. We are all with you. So you just keep your working and you just keep your activity fully without any hesitation. But uh, at that time I had a different kind of a like na when I saw my friends, they are very active, they are very good in music also, in dancing also, but I have never get time to this kind of activities like dancing or speak something in front of the student, in front of the teachers. I never get this opportunity. So I understand your feelings. We are
Yeah,
also
same. I
little.
can resonate because it happened with me the same thing. I
Yes,
never
yes.
participated in
It
any
happens,
activities.
literally, it happens because I am from Hindi medium, and at
Same.
that time there are not so many resources for
Mhm.
revising the things and inculcate our things or our activities or our speaking skills like na. So at that time we are not aware of this kind of thing. As we grow, we know what is this, what is the mobile, what is the
Yes.
Android phone. At that time
Yes.
Android phone is not available properly like now,
Mhm.
but in present you can see everyone has the Android mobile with a good kind of company like so at that time my parents also not aware fully, they are not and they have no proper resources for providing the good education. So at that time only government schools provided Hindi medium schools are there much,
Mhm.
but not the not CBSE schools are there. But nowadays everyone is very I would say technical things are increasing day by day, and our coming generation is progressing day by day, right?
Yes, yes. They are super talented and active also. Like in our time, we had no resources actually. So we just learned by ourselves. Most of the things we learned by ourselves. And now I can see that, people have different kind of talents apart from study even. Because they can learn, they can grab the things very easily from mobile, from watching other people. And we have learning opportunity a lot. Like we have YouTube, multiple platforms are there. So they can learn anytime, and especially when you start something in an early age, so it is quite easy to learn that thing. I feel so.
Yes, right. So, what do you know
And
about? Do you agree
we are
that
learning
yeah, advantage and disadvantage of the social media? What is the advantage of social media and what is the disadvantage? Can you please tell me something, some good point?
English. Yeah, so if I talk about advantage, so we can connect to the world, we can learn a lot, we can get different news, what is happening around the world. And even you are sitting at home, but you can connect to multiple people. You can, like we are utilizing and we are learning this language just because of social media. So this is the plus point for them. And the another, if we talk about disadvantage, so absolutely it's a kind of distraction sometimes, especially if you are working or even you are studying. So whenever our mobile, just rings, so we just try to try to see that what is happening, what is the new notification, or sometimes even in reels also, people are too crazy about watching, even making reels and all. So they waste most of the time in social medias. Even I do sometimes, and how time flies. Then I realize, oh my God, it's 1 hour, 2 hours. I was just watching reels only. Oh, this is absolutely a
Obviously, yeah.
disadvantage. So it
Yeah,
depends how people, use any resources wisely. It depends on person to person.
right.
Everything has their own pros and cons, so it depends on every individual how they utilize it.
Everything has the two-sided, good side and bad
Hmm.
side. And what is the advantage
Yes.
and disadvantage? It depends totally on the human beings, right? We are the human beings and we have a lot of desires, and
Yes.
we want to fulfill all the desires at one time, but it is not possible, na? One side we can see, and we are doing good, and we are communicating to each other for making our we can earn a name and fame by this platform also, by this YouTube channels also, na. So we
Yes.
can make our identity, so this is good. But on the other hand, if we talk
Yes.
about disadvantages, like now making reels on the roads, it is not good. Making reels and scrolling 3 or 4 hours continuously, it is not good. It is the disadvantage, because we are losing our eyes also, we are weak our eyes also. And so many
Yes.
times I also disagree with I have two kids, 3 years old or six
Mhm.
years old. Both are boys,
Okay.
both are very
Mhm.
naughty. They are
Mhm.
very spending the screen time. But most of the time, when I am not interested, like you are not touching this mobile again. But kids are very naughty, and they also
They
want to.
don't understand.
They don't understand what is the pros and cons, what is the disadvantage
Hmm.
of this, a lot of screen time if we spend on our mobiles. So we
Yes.
understand everything, we understand every
Hmm.
both sides, actually. So this is the social media, and we are aware, we have to aware this pros and cons. And
Yes.
tell me, when do you start your YouTube journey, and in which year you started?
I think I started in 2022. Yes, 2022. It's around going to happen like 4 years around
Okay,
I
so how
started.
many subscribers do you have presently?
Not really too much, but it is 3 point, I don't remember, 3.5 something.
2.5K rise.
Yes.
But if I talk about my YouTube channel, I had started like 6 months ago in 2025. I realized
Mhm.
that I should do something new and explore myself, my knowledge, and my creativity, actually. So I started in the month of October. And little
Okay.
bit it is increasing day by day. Subscribers are also increasing day by day. It
Yeah, it will.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it takes
And
time and efforts, your energy, your time. Your efforts matter a lot, especially your consistency, like it is very difficult, especially when you are not getting anything from something. If you are doing something, and always we are human beings, so we feel about the result also. We think about the result also. If anyone on YouTube, so they always think about that, yes, one day I'll become famous, so maybe I'll start earning also. But if you are doing it consistently for around 2 years, 3 years, but still you are consistent, so that is very biggest point, like it is very rare that people continue without gaining anything. But yeah,
both
somewhere we
can.
should think about another advantage. Like if I talk about me, so I feel that because of uploading videos, I have focused on my English communication. So, and I am consistent with my practice just because of YouTube. So that is the plus
Yes,
point
yes.
for me.
Because we are learning a lot from YouTube, and we are not losing anything else because we are
Hmm.
already in working. So we have no any kind of fear that if we
Yes.
have no good subscribers, so what happens is there. No, we are learning
Hmm.
in this platform. We are proving ourselves with what I have, what kind of intelligence or what kind of talent I have actually. So
Hmm.
we are also like a beginner. We are also a good learner, and
Hmm.
make sure that one day it comes that your journey will become convert in a good dream also. So tell me, what kind of video you like to upload in on your channel mostly?
Um, Mostly I upload conversational videos only because I have limited time, so I don't get enough time to, do something else. But yeah, I tried multiple things on my channel because it's already been 3 years. So I tried multiple things like sometimes blogging, sometimes, solo videos also. Even I upload shorts kind of videos also related to English. I try different kind of things. But yeah, mostly it is conversational videos. And I love to upload conversational videos just because I don't need to prepare anything in advance when I have short of time. So that is the thing.
Right. I am also like to upload conversational videos and creating different kind of grammar portion contained, like literature portion
Mhm.
contained, poetry, like some kind of sonnets, like in English literature, like John Milton,
Mhm.
Shakespeare's poetry, different kind of poetry
Okay.
I liked to upload on my channel. So this
Yeah,
is
you
good.
should try multiple things because we all know that it is unpredictable that what things will go, what things you will get more views on that. So we can try multiple other things, but it
Yes.
should be related to only one niche. Like if you are uploading related to English, so it should be English only. So yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. So this is very compulsory. Consistency is must there because I'm uploading my videos regularly, not the alternative days. When I started my journey on the YouTube, so I determined that I have to upload one video daily because I am new in the YouTube channel, and I started like 2020, but in between 3 years gapping. 3 years on since 3 years I am not uploading any kind of video, but in 2025 I started my channel because consistency is very necessary, and I knew this, and I'm doing on my channel, and gradually and slowly it is increasing day by day, I hope. And because I
Yes,
am
yes, yes.
also in working, and a homemaker also, and mother of two kids, so it is a bit difficult for for,
Yeah.
for me to uploading and creating some kind of videos. And
Yeah,
I but I
I
try
can understand.
daily. But I try daily.
Yeah,
Tell me
that's
something.
good that you are,
Yes, yes, yes. Do you
now
ask
you are.
anything else?
No, I think we are end of our conversation because it's already 30 minutes. We'll go back.
Yes, yes,
Uh,
yes. So I hope you enjoy this session.
yeah, definitely. I enjoyed this session, and it was our first time that I met. And I always, feel happy when I see new faces. So I loved
Yes, I
talking
am
to
also
you.
happy. Before you, I conducted a session also with the two co-learners, and this is the second session of and my day is productive, and you make my day. I feel good to talk to you, and it is
Yeah,
nice to
likewise.
yeah.
Yeah,
So it's
I
really
really.
amazing.
Yeah, we
Thank
will have another conversation when we will get time and we will
yeah.
schedule session.
Thank you so
Till then,
much.
take
Good
care.
day.
Bye bye.
Bye
Yeah.
bye.